Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I will talk about the Facebook monetization program. It's no secret today that all the social media platforms are in a fierce competition to attract and retain content creators, leading many of them to start paying for the views and the engagement they receive. Facebook had to follow that trend and they launched the Facebook monetization program across many tools, allowing the creators to earn money directly from the platform. Let's dive into the screen to explain each tool and how it works. The first tool Facebook provides us is subscriptions. Let's say you have a Facebook page. All the content you share on your Facebook page is available for all your followers. But Facebook gives you a private part where you can share exclusive content, and your loyal followers will pay a monthly subscription to get access to that content. The second tool is stars, where creators can receive direct support from the followers, sending them stars that they convert after to get a real income. Each star equal 1 cent. The third one is the most famous tool on Facebook, in-stream ads, where creators can place ads on their content and get paid based on views. The fourth one and the most important tool in our course is engagement bonus, where creators can get paid for the engagement received on their content. This was all in this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.